Hello everyone, are you preparing for ICAR JRF Plant Science exam? If so, we have an exam preparation app called AgriAddict that we would like to introduce you to. Here is a demo how to use the app and different courses available. To get started, simply go to the Play Store, search for AgriAddict and install the app. Once installed, enter your phone number and register with the OTP provided. Once you have registered, you will see the dashboard where you can access different types of courses and free materials to help you for your exam preparation. We offer various courses covering different subjects, and our master course is particularly popular and high in demand. Let me walk through it. Our master course provides all live and recorded classes, previous year question papers, and everything you need to prepare for your exam. If you are on tight budget, then don't worry. We offer a fully student-fledged facility for installment payments. The master course covers everything from genetics and plant breeding to plant pathology, microbiology and seed technology, and even provides notes for other minor subjects. As complimentary offering, you will also get access to complete mock test bundle. You can download all course related materials for offline access and printing also. Our master course also provides doubt clearing sessions, crisp notes and current affairs updated regularly. If you're interested, you can use our app to access a 2-minute free trial to explore the course content before purchasing. Our app also offers free mock tests and video for additional learning opportunities. Our app is completely student friendly, and you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for more doubt clearing sessions with our experts. Stay updated on new offerings and updates. Please join our WhatsApp community, Telegram group and Instagram page, and do subscribe our channel with the link provided in the description box. Thank you for considering AgriAddict for your exam preparation needs. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a good day.